I'm Dr. Alison Vandekerkhove, and today I'm going to talk about some of the common symptoms of SIBO. So SIBO stands for Small Intestinal Bacterial Overgrowth. Some of the most common symptoms associated with it are bloating. So your stomach is nice and flat in the morning, and then throughout the day as you're eating, your stomach gets more and more bloated. Constipation, diarrhea, abdominal cramping, anemias. So it's hard to digest your B12s, your irons, you don't get them absorbed as well. These are the most common symptoms. Up to 80% of irritable bowel is thought to be caused by SIBO. When I'm looking at a patient, some things that I'm looking for are if they eat a really healthy diet, so they're eating lots of salads, vegetables, those types of things, and they start feeling worse. This is a really good indication that SIBO is present. The other thing is when a patient is really sensitive to everything. So you put them on supplements or herbs or anything and they start feeling worse when they should be feeling better. This is another big indication that SIBO is present.